Welcome back, viewers. This is our channel, Walking Thoughts Nebraska. For this video, we want to share with you one of our hiking experiences when we went for a Memorial Weekend trip. Memorial Day is a day on which those who died in active military service are remembered, traditionally observed on May 30th, but now officially observed on the last Monday of May here in the United States. After paying our respects to those who served, we also took this opportunity to be able to do a long road trip, which we decided is going to be in South Dakota via Valentine, Nebraska. Valentine, Nebraska is a city in Cherry County, Nebraska, with a population of 2,737 as of 2010 census. Valentine is about a 5-hour drive from Lincoln, Nebraska. Valentine was founded in 1883 when the Sioux City and Pacific Railroad was extended to that point. It was named after Edward K. Valentine, a Nebraska representative. Valentine is immediately north of the Niobrara River and the location of the Smith Falls State Park, which is where the highest waterfall in the state of Nebraska is located, and that is where we want to be able to go prior to our trip to South Dakota. Here we are. After almost 5 hours of driving west from Lincoln, Nebraska, we are now at the scenic Smith Falls State Park, which is home to Nebraska's highest waterfall, also called the Smith Falls. This state park is a popular destination for campers as well as canoers, kayakers, tubers, and others who visit the area to experience the beautiful Niobrara River. After a short walk from the entrance of the state park, we are now able to reach the bridge where we are able to see the Niobrara River. Many outfitters use the park as a takeout spot, which make it a convenient camping site for those planning to paddle or float on the river. We continue to walk the path towards the falls, and as I've shared, this is the highest waterfall in the state of Nebraska at 63 feet or 19 meters tall. Allow me to share with you a little bit of history about the falls. First known as the Arikari Falls, the waterfall bears the name of Orrin B. Smith, a pioneer in the Seven Creeks area, according to the 1885 state census. His stepson, Frederick Smith, will later file for a homestead claim on September 5, 1889. This footbridge was the historic Verdigris Bridge that was moved to the park and reconfigured as a footbridge spanning the Niobrara River. This had been previously located at the mouth of Verdigris Creek, then had been moved to carry traffic on Highway 14, and then dismantled in 1991 to be reassembled as a restored 160-foot-long truss span at the park in 1996. And we start to see the waterfalls. The falls are on a short spring-fed stream that plunges into a small canyon on the south side of the Niobrara. As the canyon is narrow and sheltered from direct sunlight, it is much cooler than the surrounding landscape. We reached the waterfalls area and I am going to end my voiceover here. We want to thank you for always being with us on our hiking adventures. Remember to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell as well. That way, whenever we have a new video, you'll be updated. Enjoy the waterfalls with us.
Water for about 2 hours.